Manpupuner, Trainer Tenyo, Sahara el Beyda, Kannesteinen Rock, Great Blue Hole, Great Blue Hole, Richat Structure, the Immortal Bridge, the Immortal Bridge, Stone Forest, China, Stone Forest, China, Devil's Tower, Devil's Tower, Pamukkale, Pamukkale, Digby Neck Balancing Rock, Digby Neck Balancing Rock, Sail Rock, Sail Rock, Antelope Canyon, Antelope Canyon, Cave of the Crystals, Cave of the Crystals, the Wave, the Wave, Grand Prismatic Spring, Grand Prismatic Spring, Ausangate Rainbow Mountains, Ausangate Rainbow Mountains.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.